Rabbit lived in a hole in the ground between two rocks. He was a funny, kind, and friendly animal. His home was small and simple, and he didn't have a lot of things to eat, but I had lots and lots of great friends. I like inviting my friends to come and eat with me, Rabbit said. I love sharing my dinner with them and with talking all night with them. Rabbit knew all the animals that walked, swam, and flew in the forest. He always thought to have or to talk to them, but he couldn't talk to Cocketta bird. She lived on a high cliff in the forest. She had no friends because she didn't want to stop to help or to talk to any of the other animals. Cocketta bird had beautiful head feathers. She liked looking at her face in the lake all day. Rabbit was sad about that. Oh, Cocketta bird needs a friend, he thought. I've got an idea. Cocketta bird, he called loudly one morning when he saw her near the lake. Cocketta bird didn't answer him. Cocketta bird, he called more loudly. Let's be friends. Come and eat with me this evening. Cocketta bird looked at Rabbit, shook her head feathers at him, and laughed. Ha 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 ha! No, I didn't visit to eat with a rabbit, and your home is too small and simple. She had it. I only eat in big and beautiful house like mine. But I have a moonfish, blue cheese sandwiches, and lamb cakes for dinner this evening, Rabbit answered. Please come. Oh, I love eating moonfish, blue cheese sandwiches, and lamb cakes. Cocketta.